Much has been made of the fact that the City of San Angelo's property tax rate is higher than that of many other municipalities. At 77.6 cents per $100 of value, San Angelo's property tax rate is the lowest it's been in 23 years. Even so, it's true that's more than the rates in Abilene, Midland, Odessa, and Wichita Falls. The reasons for that are fourfold. 1. The average value of a homestead in San Angelo is lower than in other cities. Thus, a higher rate is needed to generate a comparable amount of tax revenue. In San Angelo, the average home is valued at $110,301. That compares to nearly $112,000 in Wichita Falls, more than $140,000 in Odessa, and an impressive $208,000 in Midland. 2. The City of San Angelo offers a 20% tax exemption on a homestead. That means a primary residence is taxed at only 80% of its value. Abilene exempts 15% of a homestead's value, while Wichita Falls offers a straight $18,000 exemption. On an average valued home, San Angelo's exemption would be $4,000 more than Wichita Falls's would be. 3. San Angelo lacks a significant commercial and industrial tax base. That shifts more of the burden of funding local government to homeowners. The City of San Angelo's total taxable value is $4.2 billion. That is dwarfed by Midland's $10.2 billion, Abilene's $8.7 billion, Odessa's $6.1 billion, and Wichita Falls's $4.6 billion. Although Midland's tax rate is nearly 36 cents lower than San Angelo's, Midland generates $10 million more in property tax revenue. So again, with a lower tax base, San Angelo requires a higher rate to generate a comparable amount of tax revenue. Lastly, San Angelo collects less sales tax than its peers. That means the city must rely more heavily on property taxes to fund its operations. In the coming year, the City of San Angelo has budgeted $26.7 million in total sales tax collections for the General Fund and the Development Corporation. That represents an increase of about 12%. But that's well below the $30.6 million that Abilene is projecting, the $30.8 million Wichita Falls is budgeting, and the $32.5 million Odessa expects to collect in 2015. Each of those factors contributes to a property tax rate that is higher than that of comparable cities. Lost in the discussion of San Angelo's tax rate is what's most important to taxpayers. That is, how much does a homeowner pay in property taxes? San Angelo homeowners, on average, pay less property taxes, or a comparable amount, than do taxpayers in our benchmark cities. In 2015, the average San Angelo homeowner will pay $685 in city property taxes. That's less than the $734 tax bill in Wichita Falls and Midland's average levy of $872. Odessans will pay $534. But again, Odessa will collect nearly $6 million more in sales tax than San Angelo will. A thriving local economy and real estate market have afforded the City of San Angelo the good fortune to finally address some critical needs. That's especially true of water, streets, and adequately paying firefighters, police officers, and other public servants. The city's leadership remains steadfastly vigilant in ensuring that maximum value is squeezed from every tax dollar, never losing sight of the fact that those dollars belong to you.